Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the fourth dialogue between Eddy and Junior.
The new washing machine. Eddy and Junior are at home. Their washing machine is broken.
Great news, Junior! Our new washing machine is coming today.
That's great news for you, Dad, not for me.
But your clothes will be so clean.
My clothes are fine.
Junior, you wore that shirt 3 days in a row.
It's my favorite shirt!
Someone knocks on the door. Eddy opens it.
Hello, I have a washing machine for you. It's very heavy.
Perfect! Can you put it inside?
Sure, right here. Have a good day.
Okay, Junior, help me unpack this box.
Okay, Dad.
Junior pushes the box for 2 seconds.
I'm exhausted. I need to sit down.
You pushed it for 2 seconds.
It was a very hard 2 seconds.
Eddy moves the washing machine by himself. He is very tired. He sits on the floor.
It's done. It's beautiful. Junior, come look.
Eddy looks around. Junior is not there. Then he hears a sound from inside the big, empty box.
Junior, are you in the box?
Yes, this is my house now.
Your house?
Yes, it's really nice in here. Very quiet. No dads.
Junior, get out of the box.
No, Dad. You got a new washing machine, and I got a new house. We both win today.